Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna go take a look at my new dirt bike. Well, it ain't necessarily mine yet, but it will be. Jacob, I'll be outside. I'll be outside. Here's my blue and yellow and red helmet. Don't know if y'all can see this that good. Just let me do something real quick. Okay, now that will be mine. Just a few days or a few weeks, maybe a month or two. It's my stepbrother's right now. It's a Honda 80. Runs pretty good. Well, it runs good. Ooh, got to turn the gas off. I guess it's hard to turn off. The only thing that's really wrong with it is somebody wrecked it and it bent the gear thing. Yeah, the gear thing. And besides that, just the chain is pretty loose. Just gotta tighten that up. Other than that, it's good. No, his dad also, not my dad, his dad. I don't really like to call him my dad, but his dad has a four-wheeler. He lets me drive it. And my stepbrother Jacob lost the key to it, so his dad, whose name is Buddy, had to go to Rossville and get the spare key to it. Whew, 12 steps. His dad also has a motorcycle. We have a boat, but it's not right here. Oh, it's powder wet. That's his dad's four-wheeler. It's a Honda, you can see. I don't know why, but on every, even on those little dirt bikes, like on those 50s, it says, nobody under 16. Stupid. By the time I'm 16, it'll be like way too big for it. There's his motorcycle. Oh, great. Now I gotta walk all the way back up the stairs. You know what? I need the training. I'm just gonna run up the hill. It's hard because I have boots on. Ooh! Just a second. Oh, dang it, he broke it. Huh. So here we go. Pretty fast. Faster than going upstairs. In just a little bit, probably gonna go riding. If I can, I will film it for y'all. No, if I can or not. Because I'm afraid to take my phone on the dirt bike or four-wheeler. I want my mom to give me a GoPro cam. Okay, so see y'all next time. And in the comments below, just tell me what kind of videos y'all want me to do. And I'll try to do them. So, bye.